Good evening, Umesh ji.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, wish you warm welcome to our digital meeting. Today, I am very happy to share that we have Mr. Umesh, senior banker from UAE, to discuss his progress about the CFP journey. He has enrolled 2 months before in our video lectures, live recorded classroom workshop, which is known as a digital practical classroom coaching. I am Keyur Shah, India's best expert CFP coach and founder of CFP Aspirant Club and Blue Ocean Coach. Umesh ji, we can start with the your detailed introduction and post that we will discuss for another 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, Umesh ji.
So first of all, I should thank you very much for inviting me for such a fabulous platform to introduce myself and my progress in CFP. Okay. See, my name is Umesh. I'm basically from Kerala, part of India. Okay. Currently, I'm working with one of the reputed bank in UAE. Okay, last 6 years as a
Okay.
senior personal banker. I started my career with ICC Group in 2004 after completing my graduation. I was in a Pinnacle advisor, okay, where you are getting a chance to become a manager. So I selected that post because I was not having any sales experience. Once I completed my target, I became a manager. I served uh, almost 10 years in ICSA with a different verticals. The last post was me, like, it's a business development kind of thing where I was having almost 44 advisors, along with 7 of the advisors for MDRT.
Very good. Excellent.
At MDRT, you like it's a world, one of the famous like recognition for insurance advisors.
Yes, yes.
And after that, one of my customer who referred me in UAE bank. Then I joined here in UAE as a sales in banking. Then I moved into a different bank as a senior personal banker. Now last month I completed my 1,000 customers in UAE, like
Very good.
in
Congratulations.
in a span of 6 years. That is a milestone for me in UAE.
Excellent. Because we know that right now it is a pandemic situation, and I am sure that you must be doing an excellent or great job. That's the reason you are successfully in UAE even post pandemic and achieved the milestone of 1,000 plus customers. Good, very good. So let start the. I am very happy to listen your introduction, and I am sure that it give a lot of inspiration and motivation. Many you can say professional how you can start your journey from a ground level independent insurance advisor, and then you have progress achieved many milestones, and now you are in UAE. Okay, so now what is the motivation to start the CFP journey? Because you started 2 months before your CFP learning journey. So, what is the core or primary motivation?
Yes, sir. You rightly asked me the same question. What I supposed to explain you. See, I'm been to financial, like a personal finance field for last 16 years.
Hmm.
Okay. Uh, but still, I feel there are a lot of things to complete it. In fact, I'm into retail product selling. So mean to say that I used to meet minimum 5 to 6 customers per day for my
Okay.
banking purpose,
Hmm.
and most of the customers are NRIs.
Okay.
Okay, so they used to talk about their personal finance problems, and in fact, I used to ask them more about their personal financial problems because I was into that field. In fact, okay, so I came to know that, see, there are a lot of things which are actually the thing what is happening now for
Hmm.
this, the K called as NRI. It's very easy to crack for a normal advisor in India
Hmm.
because they are sitting in a good amount, that is in savings account. Okay, it's very easy to crack this set of segment. So people are selling a lot of mis-sell products to this guy, this set of customers. In fact, if you ask me, uh, most of the customers that are holding 3 4 insurance products, insurance policy, whenever they go for a vacation, they used to buy something from there, forcefully given by the bank RMs.
Hmm.
If you ask me, in that 2 3 policy documents, they are not even opened and seen what exactly that is into.
Hmm.
And if you're asking about any sort of what is your investment, yes, I invested 10 lakhs 15 lakhs which is in insurance products.
Hmm.
So I felt this is this there is a lot of gap here. People are not educated, people are not literally like financially literate. So
Hmm.
I can give a service, or I can educate them into this matters. And the second thing is, I started my CFP coaching in the month of June, July.
Okay.
When this, why? Because I was not, I was aware of CFP certifications, but I thought, okay, it's not that relevant for no this one. But later I came to know that when this pandemic situation happened, a lot of my customers asked me, like, called me personally, and they they was asking me a personal advice, what to do. Like, my salary reduced to 50%. I was having this much of debts. My
Hmm.
liabilities are this much. So the exactly whatever the question they asked, when I was preparing for my CFP on my initial days,
Hmm.
I come across of the debt planning.
Hmm.
In the debt plan was exactly what the answer, exactly what I can answer, that was there in that planning portions. Actually, how to reduce their no expense.
Hmm.
Okay, how to see that the fund of UAEs, like NRAs, they are very focus about 0% like credit card, like schemes.
Hmm.
0% with 3% processing fee for 5 months, 6 months.
Hmm.
When I did my CFE coaching, I came to know that, see, for a 0% credit card buying with a 2% interest for 6 months, it's coming around 6.89%. That is the effective interest we are paying. So these are the things what I learned here. Especially I'm into retail banking, where I used to help my customers for consolidation of their liabilities. Like, they used to have credit cards, they used to have loan from India, where with higher loans, we used to buy it for a lower interest loans. So this is what I used to do. Now, because of this debt planning, I am very confident. My conversion rate now became double actually.
Very good. Excellent.
My conversion rate, previously people were thinking about, okay, no, I can do it with my extra effort putting it. But when I given exact figures of what the rates you are paying now,
Hmm.
okay, with this coaching, with this module of debt planning, after this debt planning, I'm telling, I am converting almost 2.5% extra of my two point multiple of my customers now.
Okay. So,
Even last, for example, I'll tell you, sir, last month, due to the pandemic situation, business was actually dull, to be frank. But only using this debt planning,
hmm.
only using this debt planning, I did the business which is my best business actually.
Very good. Congratulations.
See, because I was confident actually. I was very confident, like, yes, this is what exactly we need to do with the customer. And I completely planned that one, and I'm doing it with pen, paper, and calculator. Not like a bank normal banker who used to do it with a laptop. I'm like what you taught me, like
Hmm.
process, same process, pen, paper, and calculator. I'm just giving a calculation to them in front of them, saying that this is what you are end up paying with this one. This is what I'm helping you to. So people are convincing, and conversion rate is very fast. In fact,
Excellent, excellent. I'm very happy that you enrolled, you learned debt planning, and you are getting 2x of your business even in pandemic situation. Okay,
yes,
so
sir.
that is the important message to all. You can say a banker, okay, specifically working into private bank, or you can say in India PSU bank, because you are not only selling the third party product, but you have to also provide the right loan to customer as per the need, and if you can help them to take it out the right option, okay, so they would be benefited, as well as you will be able to close your business also. Good, very good. So
If you are talking, if yes, sir.
yeah, may I
Now,
know,
if you are talking about, sir, please.
sorry, may I know that right now you are into if I'm right, you are into loan section, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you narrate how your conversion rate is got doubled because of knowledge and skill set you acquired? What
Yes,
earlier you were doing and how you are doing? What's the new way? So can you put it some light on that?
yes. See, previously, people were like, I was not, I was not, see, I know the calculation, but I was not having a complete calculation how to tell them what exactly rate they are paying on a current instrument.
Okay.
People, especially in NRI, people used to spend a lot on credit cards by seeing 0% schemes.
Okay.
0% scheme saying that 2% processing, 1.2, 1.1 percentage insurance. Altogether, they are paying upfront a charge of 3.5 percentage or 2.5 percentage for 6 months, 5 months, 6 months,
Hmm.
so which is coming around 8-9 percentage effective rates.
Yeah, even in UA it is very high.
See, even in UA, if you ask me, the personal loan rates are on an average of 4.5 percentage.
Okay, so now I'm getting you are educating your client instead of going for the card loan, you are go for the personal loan, which will give you
Yes,
a better advantage compared to card loan.
yes. And second one is we are more focusing on the loans who have in India, the,
Okay.
the, the, the liabilities they have in India, like they might have old credit cards or old personal loans, even home loans.
Hmm.
Okay, which is are even more rate than UAE, plus the tenure is for 15 years, 20 years. We are just helping them to consolidate their liabilities, and with a lesser interest rate and with a lesser tenure, we are just helping them to consolidate these liabilities.
Okay, so I can recollect in my video lecture, okay, I floated the concept of umbrella loan. Umbrella, you can say,
Exactly.
debt
I
planning, where client has a
exactly.
basket of loan starting from personal loan, card loan, or you can say housing loan. So you ideally took a one umbrella loan and pay off the high interest loan, or you can connect to a bank which can give you a basically a mother loan, okay, which at a lower cost. Okay, good. I'm
Correct.
very happy that you took a best advantage of learning, and that's how you helping your client to get loan at lower interest rate, as well as basically they are able to take a right decision. Good, very good. I'm once again congratulations to you. So now
Thank you, sir.
go ahead in our discussion. Uh, when you decided to do CAP certification, okay, so why you have chose Keyur Shah versus the one option was maybe self-study, or other option was to go with other some kind of education partners.
So basically, for a working professional, I don't think so. Oh, no, self study will help them. I definitely it is for it is not a cup of tea for me. And Keyusha, see, I was searching for CFE for a long time actually. Okay, even 2016 after my ICSA when I joined in UAE, I thought I should have some certification. But when I uh,
You can continue.
okay, uh, so when I searched a lot about CFP through Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram,
Hmm.
or even net, I got to know a lot of EPs, education providers. Okay, I went directly to their website, saw their testimonials, saw their no sample question papers or sample videos.
Hmm.
Then when I followed your things, you
Hmm.
are in the right position, right way. You are not focusing on like exam. You are more focusing on how you can expertise your domain.
Hmm.
You this financial field is such a complex one. If you don't know the process,
Hmm.
how to derive the things, then there is no point of doing the CFPs. There are a lot of softwares are available in the market, but if you should know the process how to derive it in a different scenarios. Okay, different scenario in the sense, uh, different scenarios how to get the things done. So I when I saw the I went to the no CFE aspirant club, I can see a lot of testimonials. CFE aspirant club itself, it's a big ocean of practicing CFEs.
Hmm.
So I felt this is the right place where I can rub my shoulders with the experienced people practicing CFPs. No, get to know what exactly happening in Indian market and what exactly we should do in the market. So I decided no go with Mishkesha is the one of the best. No, not one of the best. Is the best. No, CFP coach in the not a tutor or not a like he's a coach actually in fact,
Yes, thank
coach
you.
in the market because last 2 months I have been to the 16 years for a financial industry, but the last 2 months what I learned, it was my eye opener. Like even though I was in a uh, I was in a financial field 16 years, I was not able to explain what is like uh, inflation adjusted corpus. What is inflation adjusted corpus? I was not able to explain. I
Hmm.
was not explain. I was not no explain what is time value. So,
Hmm.
but after your study, like after your coaching, I helped one of my colleague.
Hmm.
He is supposed to take a insurance product, international insurance company insurance product. The premium is 1.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, he is paying for 12 years.
Yes.
Okay, and the insurance advisor advised him saying that okay, after 11th year you can take your 80% of the amount back, and remaining with the remaining amount will continue for lifetime.
Hmm.
When I now checked with the illustration, the 11th year corpus was not even it's lesser than the 50% of the amount what is paying, because first 3 months he is not hardly paying anything. It's completely on charges basis.
Yes.
On 11th year is getting only 50% of the things back. Okay, and even if you keeping remaining amount, the plan will continue only for 4 years. So
Okay.
the intention of this the customer is just 33 years. Okay, is the sense after 11 plus 4, 15 years, 33 plus 15, 48 years is entire insurance will collapse
Okay.
because of the wrong communications. This is the wrong selling what is happening in the market. Not only for him,
I have
in
been, sorry to interrupt you. I had been UAE last year in February 2019, and I met a couple of my, you can say, friend or some relative, and they said that the situation in UAE is worse than the India. Okay, all
Yes, sir.
banks or all basically most of company you can say are into distribution of Indian product or international product, and it is more on the commission based selling instead of the any advisory based business.
You can see almost all insurance companies, offshore offices are here. Representative offices are in Dubai.
Hmm.
And they used to tell, okay, they used to tell investment, FD. Some products are they are just selling like an FD.
Hmm.
Invest, after 3 years or 5 years, you will get double.
Hmm.
And it's bad luck for my customers. They are not even opening their policy documents and reading. The financial literature is very less in this part of the world, especially Indians I'm talking about. So I felt I can make a change here. No, after my certification, definitely I can make a change into this. At least my set of customers, I can give them a financial literacy, okay, to help them to achieve their goals.
Good, very good. I'm sure that that's how we can create a you can say wow effect in our customer. We are not just focused on our core product or services, but we are going one step ahead and helping them, so they will be a lifetime customer, as well as they will refer a new customers also, because it is always very easy to get a business from referral customers or from existing customers instead of finding every time new customers. So let me discuss let me continue our discussion. I always believe that anyone who joins with me, I always say that you have to first be a wise and logical investor from the emotional investor, because most of we are emotional when we have not financial literacy, including Kayusha or you. Okay, so in last 2 months, how you as a family, okay, benefited with help of the personal financial planning knowledge?
Sir, if you ask me, even though I'm in bank or I'm in financial field, I was not having any financial planning done for me. In fact, nobody approached me, to be frank. But whatever I saved, my 80-90 percentage was into real estate, like bank FT, and some in gold.
Okay.
It was after your coaching, it was an eye opener for me, where I'm not start anything for my financial goals. Okay, I
Okay.
was in a asset rich, but it was not a cash rich. I came to know that this is not the correct way. In fact, no, uh, I was not completely insured. I
Okay.
was keeping only 40-45,000 and 40-45 lakhs insurance. I felt it was big amount. When I planned my insurance, I came to know it was 2.2, 2.82 crores. I should have an insurance to fulfill my family requirement, my children's education, my daughter marriage. So recently I took 2 crores of uh, term insurance from one of the best company from India.
Okay. You
And
did it after your training?
yes, sir,
Oh,
after
great.
training.
Congratulations.
And in fact, I took almost 15 lakhs health insurance from Indian company,
Very
because I was not having insurance in health insurance in India. Here, though my company is covered, but pandemic situation, what are the things will happen.
one.
And plus, yeah, plus whatever no advice things are happening here, you should definitely go back to India for no checking, like treatment. So definitely you should have Indian health insurance. So I took that one. Plus I took a 2 crores coverage of term insurance. For this two crore coverage, hardly I'm paying 21,000, which is lesser than
Good. Very good. Excellent.
1,000, which is our 1 day night out. To be frank, I'm telling 2 crores I'm getting it. So people are not aware of this kind of things. People are paying for insurance. No, people are investing 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh, not even doing and not even know about the products.
Okay. So if I summarize the discussion, even though you were for 16 year into financial service sector, okay, but you have not having the financial plan in place. So after the training, Umesh ji has prepared his plan, like what are his family's short-term goal, medium-term goal, long-term goal, calculated inflation adjusted corpus, and started the SIP. Okay, or at least he is aware, okay, how much inflation adjusted corpus required for retirement or children higher education. Okay, and some of the important thing he has already done, like bought a term insurance plan, health insurance plan. Good, very good. So now, as I always focus on the practical applications, so what kind of the practical application you are doing, and how is the feedback of your you can say friend, colleague, or clients about the practical applications?
So I started doing a basic financial planning for my few of the customers and my friends.
Okay.
Now, just giving them actually what is uh, inflation adjusted corpus they need it for their children's education or for retirement. What are the scenarios they can create their corpus?
Okay.
Okay, and giving a different sort of rates and interest rates, whether it is risky one or a balanced one or a normal one. How can you approach, like how can you approach your goal towards these instruments? And these are the few things I already started talking to the people. And last month, one of my customer, he was about to take a loan. Okay,
Okay.
he was about to take a loan, but about to take a loan for third property, just
Okay.
not about to take a property for about to take a loan for third property, whereas first property was ideal, which is he he took it for 2005. Okay, 15 years he was keeping the amount, property. Hardly when I calculated his rate of return from there, it is even less than 3%.
Even though he is buying
Okay,
property.
he's again buying a property. That too, he's asking loan for that property. Okay, he's asking loan for that property. Oh no, loan for buying to that property. Then I told, sir, you are giving my business for me. Okay, but I'll tell you, first of all, you see your no, like your liability and assets, your net worth. You see. Okay, I told him better dispose that first property. Okay, because he was looking for a third property of, it's a commercial property where I just checked is real and like rate income rate was like almost 5.5 to 6%. So we decided to dispose the first property without taking a loan. Plus, he was having some other cash in savings account. We made this one and brought that one. So I just avoid him the taking the loan, but he's paying 5, 5, 6%. I told, okay, don't do that one.
Good. So that is the excellent decision you took. Even though if client took a loan, you would be benefited, but you know that ki client has already two properties, and if he go for third one, it would be stretched toward his finance. He would be asset rich and cash flow poor because he has to pay EMI in this pandemic situation. It is a very difficult. So it is not about that ki we basically focus on the short term goal of business, but we create a long term win-win relationship. So client is going to be a brand ambassador. Once you are a banker, you are selling a loan or providing a loan to your customer, and you educate and help them not to take a loan, so it is a highest service you are doing for client, and I'm sure that the client will be a for a lifetime. Okay, wherever you are, whatever you do, he'll like to basically go with you first as a professional, because you have given a right guidance or advice to take it a decision. Good. So Umesh ji has prepared a financial plan. So let me share the screen. You can quickly explain the plan. Is it visible?
No, sir.
Is it visible? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Let me stop the share and do it once again. Now is it visible?
No, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
so you can briefly explain the plan. So whenever your client can have a fair idea when they will go through this video, okay, they can come to know, okay, you are doing one of the world's finest certification in personal financial planning, okay, which is considered as a gold standard certified financial planner, and you can help them to prepare a comprehensive goal-based financial plan. So it is a lighter version. We are sharing for the benefit of clients. So you can quickly explain about this plan.
Sir, this plan, I just met one of my client whose name is Mr. Manu. Okay, this plan is for Mr. Manu. Client family include Manu, wife Mahija, and a daughter Isha for 11 years, Krishna, son, 6 years.
Okay.
Okay. Manu's gross annual income was 21 lakhs INR. Okay. If I convert in Indian rupees, it was 21 lakhs. Okay. Manu was having an asset of,
You can continue without worrying.
okay. Uh, Manu's asset was a plot property of 42 lakhs and FD of 8 lakhs, gold asset of 8 lakhs, and he was having a liability of credit card assets, like credit card outstanding 2 lakhs. So totally, if you ask me, his conceptual asset only 5 lakhs, non-conceptual it is 53 lakhs. So total net worth is 52 lakhs.
So right now, even though if we divide into two parts, okay, so in non-consumption asset, you can say financial asset is only 8 lakh, and non-financial asset, or you can say physical asset is 47 lakh. So what
Correct, sir.
is that in this pandemic situation, one can not easily sell plot or land, okay, and withdraw the money. Okay, so we can say that client is on a asset rich and cash flow poor category.
See, this is the scenario I'm facing. I facing in the NRIs. Most of their investments are towards their real estate or gold, and financial instruments are very less. Okay, I am coming to Manu's financial goals. Okay, Manu's financial goals: Isha and Krishna's college funds, Isha's marriage, retirement of Manu's family at 60 years. Okay. The first goal I took it is as a priority. I given first priority for the education, second priority for the retirement, and third priority for the marriage of the kid.
Okay.
Okay. When we did a calculation, Manu was specifically told me, see, each kids he wants to have a cash flow of 3 lakhs at every year of graduation and post graduation.
Okay.
So I just given a timeline where now Isha age is 11. When she is in graduation, it is 19. She need 3 lakhs at 20 year. She need 3 lakhs. 31 age, she need 3 lakhs. At 22 age, 3 lakhs, and 23 is 3 lakhs.
Perfect.
And the same way, Krishna also the, need the same cash flow at his college and post graduation and post graduation. So his graduation starts from 18 year. So 18, 19, 20, 22, 21, 22, 3, 3, 3, 3 lakhs. So if I'm converting this cash flow towards Manush age cash flow, at the age of, cash flow starts at age of 46. Manu need 3 lakhs current cost.
Hmm.
47, he need 3 lakhs current cost. Vice versa, up to uh, 53, he need 3 lakhs
Okay.
current cost. So we calculated to get this current cost, okay, he need to have at least a present cost of like present value of 24 lakhs 27,700. Okay, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible. So you need to have 24 lakhs 27,708 to achieve this. He should to achieve this all no cash flows at the current rate. He should invest 23,946 per month in an instrument which gives him 9% yield.
Good, very good. So if I summarize the discussion, Umesh ji has beautifully prepared the higher education plan, and per month SIP is required 23,946. If client cannot afford, client can go for the increasing SIP, then cost of SIP will
Exactly.
grow even 10,000. If he increase SIP average 10,000 per month, okay, then he has prepared the Isha's marriage plan. Uh, After that, here it is the retirement plan. Yes, you can explain in detail retirement plan, most important.
Sir, Manu told me, see, his monthly household expenses currently is 40,000. In the sense, if we go back to India, not here, okay, it is 40,000. So he told me, Umesh, I just want to guarantee this amount towards the entire life of me and my wife. The current cost of 40,000 should be there
Okay.
across me and my wife. So we did a calculation. Manu's life expectancy was 80. Mahija's like Manu's wife was 85.
Okay.
For this 40,000 household expenses, he should have a corpus of 2 crore 65 lakhs 78,556 to give him a lifelong the real value of 40,000
Perfect.
till the uh, no till the life expenses of spouse. To achieve this, he has to invest 25,761. Okay, and I also given him 2-3 scenarios where if he's no he can go for increase SAP,
Okay.
where he can reduce, he can start with a smaller amount, and every year according to his income growth,
Hmm.
or every particular years he can increase his investment towards this retirement goal so that he can achieve this goal. So I given that calculation as well, because he told he is comfortable with this amount because he was not having any SAPs.
Okay. Good. Very good. Excellent.
If
So
you, if you ask me the total SAPs, even if you're calculating, it is not even 30% of his income.
Okay, great.
So that's what I told him, okay, you start with this amount, or if you have any constraint, definitely we'll go with increase SIP method. So he's okay with this.
Excellent. And last, we'll conclude with the insurance planning.
Okay. So in insurance planning, customer was not, see, even though he's earning 21 lakhs, he was not having any single insurance, to be frank. Okay, that was surprise actually. And I happened to meet a lot of customers related to this. Okay, and this calculation what I given him is, if he wants to guarantee his monthly expenses, okay, for the entire year of life expectancy, like earlier he told his monthly expense was 40,000. For this 40,000, if he wants to get a real value of 40,000 or increase withdrawals of 40,000, he has to have a corpus of 1.88 crores, where he's investing this 1.88 crores with the safest instruments, which yields him 6%. Okay, he can cover his monthly expenses.
Good, very good.
And what I did is, I calculated his goals as well with the insurance. So altogether, you need to have 2.28 crores to cover it. After seeing this, he asked me, Umesh, are you charging anything for this plan? I told, sir, I'm not yet qualified. Okay. Definitely no. After 1 year, if you are asking me to plan, definitely I'll charge you, because I'm certified, I'm and authorized for it.
Yes, yes.
This plan definitely I'll send to my coach. He will approve, then I'll share with you. Okay. And now I'm in walking stage. I'm not in running stage. Definitely, once if I'm running, I'll charge you, because I know what are the savings, what are the things we are doing for these customers.
Good. So I am very happy that you have prepared an excellent plan in just 2 months of learning, which is I can say approximately 40% only. So if I summarize the discussion for the benefit of all, okay, just 1 minute. So it is that key how handwritten plan is prepared. Umesh ji was in financial service sector for first 10 year India, and since last 10 year in UAE. Okay, but because in our country or across the globe, 99% more focus about the product distribution. So where the important of preparing the comprehensive financial planning is totally missing, and that's how people are ending with the investing into wrong products, or maybe buying a gold, or buying a vacation, or going for vacation, or spending lavishly in their good time, and then they cry during their post retirement or when they have some problem. So here, when you prepare a comprehensive financial plan, we basically identify your life's important goal, like your son and daughter's higher education. Second is their marriage, your own personal retirement. Okay, and in case of any unforeseen event happens, what is the life insurance is required, and that's how you can buy the required life insurance plan. So I am sure that this is a beginning, and you've done excellent work. So I request you can continue this momentum, so you will be able to provide a high quality advisory. First you become a logical and wise investor, and then you will help your friend, family, colleague, and clients to become a logical and wise customers. And I'm sure that as you have worked in UAE, okay, so even though after few years, either you work in corporate or independent, UAE is very big market, or Middle East very big market, where we can introduce the fee-based financial advisory to the client, and they would be very happy to pay, because for them, even if you say I'll charge 1,000 dirham, okay, example, it is just even you said 20,000 rupees, it is a 1,000 dirham, so it is maybe one day income, okay, and you are providing a beautiful and very qualitative services where client can benefit it heavily, okay. So there is a huge opportunities out there for you. So let conclude our discussion. So as you are going through live recorded lectures, okay, so how did you find, what is your genuine feedback about the live recorded classroom lectures, and if any challenges face, how did you solve that challenges, and what is the support of your mentor, co-mentor for query solving?
First of all, I have only one option for going for video lecture only. Okay. Second thing, I feel that was the right decision what I took, because for being a profession working for morning 8 to night 7:30, 8 o'clock, okay, because into sales targets, so it is very hard to get a time. But because of this video lecture, I can find my own time. Okay,
Yes.
I can sit, I can draft my own timelines to when to study, where to study, how to study. And definitely because it's a vast subject, definitely we used to get some doubts. And for me, I have my own commenter. Okay, I used to talk to him.
Yes.
He's very helpful. Okay, he's very helpful. Whenever you call, without any prior appointment, I can call him directly. I used to send him my case studies or my a snap of my notes. I used to send him. I told, brother, just help me, because I'm new to this industry. Like new to this coach. He was very happy. He used to give me a lot of support, and definitely my coach is there with me. That is the only inspiration for me, because when I used to see when I before enrolling, I used to see a lot of your YouTube videos, and it inspired me a lot. I thought, okay, it is only for a marketing purpose, but now I can understand it's a real one actually, and a real one. And whenever I have a doubt, I'll just ask my coach, sir, shall I call you back? Definitely, he'll tell, okay, yes, you can. So definitely, it's a good. I took a right decision. Definitely, I know I can complete my exam rather than exam. I can be a domain expert. As you said, exam is second, domain expert is first.
Yes, yes.
And once I complete your coaching, definitely I know I can get 5x of normal CFP.
Very good.
Okay.
Excellent.
So that confidence I have, I'm putting my effort. Even though after my job, I'm spending 3 to 4 hours per day. Okay, I'm sleeping at 1:30 or 2 o'clock almost. You can just imagine, because I'm getting a lot of interest out of it. Like I'm enjoying the study. That is the only thing.
Good, very good. So main objective is that in last 16 years you attended couple of sponsored training or some kind of maybe small training, but this is the very structured approach to learn the personal financial planning. And when you basically learn structured approach, it first help you as an investor family to plan your finance first, okay, and then definitely once you are logical and wise investor, you'll be able to help your friend families. And for a transformation, definitely one has to invest both time and money, okay. So if you don't invest time, you have a gold mine, but if you don't dig the land, how can you extract the gold? So many of time I have to ask my professional participant that you can pay 3x fee easily and basically purchase the live recorded classes, but if you don't invest required time of 3 to 4 hours per day or 20-25 hours per week, then you cannot extract the advantage and benefit of gold mine what you have bought it from me, or whatever I have a thought to share, it is not transferred in your mind. Good, very good. So I am sure that you are investing 3x of coaching fee on average in market. Maybe people might be charging example 40 to 50,000 for some kind of CFP coursing, but you are paying 129,000. So what is your feedback? Is it worth to invest 3x fee and 3x time with Keyur Shah?
100 times I can tell you, it's completely worth. Even your first DVD, I came to know that okay, I'm late actually. I was late actually. So definitely, sir, not spending of money here. It's spending like it's some sort of like the confidence. See, I decided this is my second career, so I should be in a position to explain my clients exactly what they need to do, how they need to do. So that is what exactly you are helping me through a process. That process I'm following it, sir, with a spirit.
And I'm very happy that in your starting part, you shared that you are getting a 2x result with help of the right debt planning. Okay. So only one component is helping you to produce the 2x of productivity, and you have achieved 1,000 plus milestone, number one performer. So it is very important that when we are in right direction is always a lengthy. You are not taking a shortcut. You are taking a long route where you are investing more time, more money for your transformation. Okay, but when you follow it in spirit journey, you are going to benefit. Result is guaranteed. Okay, as an investor, you will be able to prepare your comprehensive financial plan, and same time as a financial planner you can earn fixed fee for financial plan writing and also providing a quality advisory. And most important, you basically enjoy the profession, because today many of time we are in profession, but we don't, many of time 80-90% are not enjoying it. And if you are not enjoying your profession, and if you feel that it is a basically some kind of labor work you are doing and you want to retire, retirement is not like that. I want to do something what I wish. Okay, I feel that the profession is like that. Make it your profession in such a way that you can enjoy it, and it is your earning and retirement both.
Correct.
So thank you very much for a very long discussion. I'm sure it is going to be very useful to CFP aspirants or those who are bankers working into banks across the world, those who are looking for some kind of second career planning, as well as your friend, family, colleague. They will also come to know that you are doing one of the world's finest certification personal wellness planning. So let's conclude the discussion with two last two questions. One, what is your final message to your investors, or you can say client?
See, I just want to tell them something like to become a wise or logical, investor, you should get into some sort of coachings. Okay, and don't blindly believe your bank RMs.
Okay.
Okay, they are there to take money from your pockets. Okay. I'm into bank, but I cannot tell in open forum, but still I'm telling you. Okay.
It's a bitter truth. So if we educate our client, let us understand all RM or all IFA are not bad or not good. You have to understand that everywhere there is a 20-80 relationship. So 20% are always good, but you have to identify those 20%, whether it is a relationship manager, whether it is a independent advisor who can guide you to achieve your financial goal and suggest the suitable product and services.
Right.
Okay. And what is the one final message for the basically a relationship manager working into the banks? Okay, why
yes, I definitely want to tell them. If they want to continue their career, okay, definitely they should do CFP, because that is the certification where they'll get respect and customer will trust them.
Okay.
Okay, and in fact, I already spoke to my friends. Okay, just to enroll with anybody.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
but they should do CFP. They let them do an R&D. But finally, I know it will come to you only because you are the best coach in India for CFP.
My intention is that when they decide to do a CFP certification is the first important.
Yeah,
They
that's what.
choose whether they want to go for self-study or any EP, because first they create a financial literacy for themselves, and once they have created financial literacy, then they will be able to do a
Choose
financial
the EP.
literacy or financial education for client. It is not necessary that everyone will go for a BMW or Mercedes Benz. There is a need in market for even for a Maruti car or maybe a Hyundai car. Okay, so I might be into a BMW and Mercedes Benz in reference to a coaching fee and reference to my thought process, where I am expecting from my participant 3x of time and 3x of money, because I want to convert into a not pass the exam but to transform into personal life, so they can achieve their life goal, and also they basically enjoy their profession, and even they are future ready. So in case they want to leave their job over a period of time, they can have a confidence to start their independent profession. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I thank you very much, Umesh ji, for coming on a short notice in our digital meeting and sharing very honest and true story from your journey in last 16 years, from a insurance agent to a senior banker, and now you are planning to be a qualified and experienced certified financial planner. Okay, and taking this as a profession for your future career. So wishing you all the best for your all practice preparation till date. You are doing a good job in your preparation, investing required amount of time, average 20 hours per week. Okay, and that's the reason you are able to prepare the one sample plan of your client. Okay, or you have shared the one plan of your client, and I'm sure that he will continue this journey in momentum, and will have a this kind of digital meeting once in a 2 months, so you can share your update with your friend, family, colleague, and client, as well as with CFP aspirants, so they get inspired to achieve their goals and CFP certification. So I once again thank you very much. Any last message?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And stay safe, stay home. Okay, you are in Dubai. So how is it right now? It is situation is normal in Dubai?
It's normal. Here people are so like disciplined people, and
Okay.
government is in such a good with all the facilities, initiatives. So we are under control.
Okay, so thank you very much. Bye, take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye.